Alex here with a high conflict child custody video on child support maximums and minimums. I've already covered child support in another video. In fact, I may have covered it in 2 videos. I'll go ahead and post the links to those videos below. But really, I just wanted to cover one extra thing in this video, which was basically that there is a maximum and there is a minimum to child support. The minimum to child support, it's my understanding that it's in the statutes as $100, and I believe it's per child. So, I mean, no matter how poor you are, no matter how little money you're making, you could be required to pay $100 a month in child support per child. There's just a minimum amount that they have in there. I'm not going to look into whether or not you can get that waived or in some other way get around it, because even if I find out the answer to it, that answer could change as the law changes. And because I never experienced, I never interacted with the child support minimum in my case. It was never imposed on me or my ex, so I really don't have anything to say on the child support minimum. The child support maximum, it is my understanding, changes depending on like the consumer price index. So again, I'm gonna avoid giving out specific dollar amounts, because if it's not even hooked to the law, if it's hooked in the law to something like the CPI, then it's really just a bad idea to give a specific dollar amount as to what the maximum is. But because it could change so fast, or you know, whenever the CPI changes, the maximum will change. So the point I'm trying to make in this video is there is a maximum amount of child support that you could be required to pay. To take a look at that, if you're one of those people who's earning an extraordinary amount of money and you're being required to pay, you know, an amount that's basically higher than what the child support maximum is, you could use that in your favor. I do believe that the phrase the law uses is actually presumptive maximum amounts, so there may be some way that your ex can overcome that presumption and still, unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on the situation, end up getting a child support amount that is actually higher than the presumptive maximum amount. So if anyone has any experience with the child support minimum or maximum, go ahead and post it in the comments below. If you have any questions, you can send an email if you'd like. And with that, I'll go ahead and end this video.